अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें।
Good morning. I am Hari Krishnan. I have opened a channel, Knowledgeable Investor. I opened this channel with the sole intention of making everybody knowledgeable, making everybody aware about the stock market, its intricacies, nuances, and subtleties. I am getting good response. I am getting good calls. I am very happy about this. Today I am going to talk about Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever was started in India in it's an old company. It's a British Dutch company. It came to be known as Lever Brothers earlier. In 1956, the company came to be known as Hindustan Lever. At that time, they offered the shares to Indians at face value of 10. Then after Farah dilution, they diluted the share. As of now, Hindustan Unilever is holding 67%. Then in the year 2005, it came to be known as Hindustan Unilever. Now let me come to the products. When you get up in the morning, what do? You brush your teeth. Then what do? You take coffee or tea. Coffee, which is a good brand, Brew, tea, Lipton, Brook Bond. These are all excellent brands of Hindustan Unilever. Then subsequently what happens? Women clean the utensils. They wash the utensils. They use what is called Vim. That is from Hindustan Unilever. Then when people bathe, at that time, what they use? There are wonderful toilet soap from Hindustan Unilever. You have Hammam, you have Lux, you have Rexona, you have Liril, and so on. Then we wash the clothes. What we do? We use Surf Excel, the old brand of Sunlight, which is more than 100 years old. That is also used for washing the clothes. Then people prepare for office. Women use cosmetics. Two great cosmetics are Pond's and Lakme. They are Hindustan Unilever products. Subsequently, Hindustan Unilever went for acquisition spree. They bought Kisan products, Kisan ketchup, Kisan jam. Then they bought Annapurna Atta, Annapurna salt. In the year 2018, they acquired GlaxoSmithKline Beecham Consumer Products. See, if you see 10 houses in India, 9 houses use Hindustan Unilever by some way or other. Either they will be using Surf Excel or they will be using tea or Vim. So somebody, in some way or other, they are using this product. So the products will always remain. Products will never die. So that is one thing. Now I talk to you about the products. Now let me talk about the finances. I have studied the company for the past 10 years. It is a very steady growth. Sales wise, profit wise, assets wise. The company is giving good dividend and company is giving bonus also. All these things I have mentioned. The face value as of now is 1 rupee. Now let me come to the share price. Hindustan Unilever is a blue chip or a growth share. Blue chip or growth share means the company share can be bought at any time. You will never lose. It is only on the growth path. But you may argue one point. I am buying at this high rate. What is the dividend I am getting? Dividend yield is low. As I told you earlier, same logic I am applying here. What you do? You operate a high beta share and the profit you put it in Hindustan Unilever. For example, you are buying a high beta share at 1,200 rupees, 100 shares. You are selling at 1,600. As I told you earlier, same logic applies here. You get 40,000 minus 15% tax. That money you use it Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever will always remain. Number of products are growing. They are on the acquisition spree, as I told you earlier. Company will never die. It should be in your portfolio. In my opinion, your portfolio should consist of cyclic share, high beta share, and growth share. This is a wonderful share. I strongly recommend this share. My dear friends, I think you would have enjoyed my talk. Please give a tick in the like column and also subscribe to this channel. Please inform all your friends and then press the bell icon. Thank you.